Hi everyone, welcome back to the Yarn Symphony. In this video, we're going to crochet a cute mini ghost. You can use it as a keychain or a bag charm. If you've never tried crocheting before or you're still a beginner, you can watch this video, the link is here, or you can see it in the description. It's the perfect place to start. Many of my viewers began with this tutorial and now they make all kinds of amazing things. Let's start crocheting. This is my 2mm hook and this is the yarn I want to use. I don't want to use magic ring in this project as always. First make one slip knot. Insert your hook. Make it tight. Now chain 2. 1 and 2. Now inside of the second chain from the hook, I want to make 6 single crochets, and this is going to be the round 1. So insert your hook inside of the first chain that you made. 1 single crochet. Again. 2, 3, 4, 5, and number 6. This is the end of the round 1 and I have 6 single crochets. Now I want to start the round 2. Do you see this V shape here? This is the first single crochet that we made. Insert your hook under the V shape and make 1 single crochet. I want to mark this stitch as the first stitch of round 2. This is my stitch marker. You can use anything else that you want. Okay, so 1 single crochet. Inside of the same stitch, I want to make another single crochet, which means I'm increasing. So 1 increasing here. Again, inside of the next stitch, I want to increase, so make 2 single crochets inside of the same stitch. See, now I have 4 single crochets and I increased 2 times. I want to increase 6 times on this round. So number 3 and so on. You need to increase 3 more times. This is the end of the round 2 and now I have 12 single crochets. Now I want to start round 3, so take out the stitch marker. 1 single crochet and mark it. After 1 single crochet, I want to increase inside of the next stitch. 1 and 2 single crochets inside of the same stitch. So this is the pattern I want to repeat 6 times. 1 simple single crochet and inside of the next stitch 1 increasing. Let me show you again. 1 single crochet and inside of the next stitch 1 increasing. So repeat this 6 times until the end of the round and then you will have 18 single crochets. Okay, this is the end of the round 3. Now I want to start the round 4. So take out the stitch marker. 1 single crochet and mark it again. After 1 single crochet, I want to increase 1 and 2 single crochets inside of the same stitch, and then I want to make 1 more single crochet. So this is the pattern you must repeat. 1 single crochet, 1 increasing, and then 1 single crochet. Let me show you again. 1 single crochet inside of the next stitch, 1 increasing, and inside of the next stitch 1 single crochet. Repeat this 6 times until the end of the round and then you will have 24 single crochets. This is the end of the round 4 and now I have 24 single crochets. For the round 5 and 6, you need to make 1 single crochet inside of each stitch. so no increasing, and we call this single crochet around. Do you see this pattern here? SC around, just like this. Take out the stitch marker, one single crochet and mark it, again one single crochet inside of the next stitch, one single crochet inside of the next stitch, and so on. Just repeat this until the end of the round, and then after each round, I mean round 5 and 6, you must have 24 single crochets. So I'm gonna meet you after round 6. This is the end of the round 6, and I still have 24 single crochets. Now I want to start around 7, and I want to tell you how to crochet the arms. So first, take out the stitch marker, one single crochet and mark it, this is one single crochet. I need 6. So 1 in here inside of the next stitch, 2, 3, 4, 5, and number 6. After 6 single crochets inside of the next stitch, I'm going to make a popcorn stitch for the arm. So first, I'm going to make one double crochet inside of this stitch. Yarn over, insert your hook under the V shape, yarn over and pull through, make 3 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2 loops, one double crochet. I'm going to make 5 double crochets inside of the same stitch. This was 1, again, the same place, 2, 3, 4, we need one more, number 5. Okay, now make this loop bigger, take out your hook. I want to find the first double crochet that I made. So I'm going to count the V shapes from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Insert your hook under the V shape of the first double crochet. Again, insert it inside of this loop. Pull the working tail. Now I want to pull this loop through this V shape. So grab it and pull it through. Now we need one more step. Chain 1. Okay, after the popcorn stitch, I want to make 10 single crochets. This is the next V shape. Insert your hook. 1, next stitch, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and number 10. After 10 single crochets inside of the next stitch, again, I'm going to make a popcorn stitch. So make the popcorn stitch and don't forget to chain 1 after making this, and then I'm going to meet you. Okay, after the second arm, we have 6 stitches here, so I'm going to make one single crochet inside of each one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and number 6. This is the end of the round 7, and now we have the arms. Now I want to start the round 8, so take out the stitch marker, one single crochet, and mark it. For this round, I'm going to make one single crochet inside of each stitch, but let me show you how to crochet on top of a popcorn stitch. So this is one single crochet. Let's make 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, and number 6. After 6 single crochets here, I need to make a single crochet under the chain that I made after making the popcorn stitch. So do you see the V shape right there? This is the chain. So make one single crochet inside of it. Now this is the next V shape here, the next stitch, and make one single crochet. So to finish this round, you need to make one single crochet inside of each stitch and one on top of the popcorn stitch under the chain, and finish this round, and then you will have 24 single crochets. Okay, this is the end of the round 8. Now I want to start the round 9. So take out the stitch marker, one single crochet and mark it. This is one we need 3. So 2 and 3. On this round, again, I want to increase the number of stitches. So after 3 single crochets inside of the next stitch, I want to increase. So 1 and 2 single crochets. This is the pattern you must repeat. 3 single crochets and 1 increasing. Repeat this 6 times until the end of the round, and then you will have 30 single crochets. This is the end of the round 9, and now I have 30 single crochets. Now I want to start the round 10. Take out the stitch marker, one single crochet and mark it. This is 1, we need 2. So another single crochet. After 2 single crochets, I want to increase inside of the next stitch, just like the pattern that you see down there. And again, 2 more single crochets. 1 and 2. This is the pattern you must repeat 6 times. 2 single crochets, 1 increasing, and 2 single crochets. Repeat this until the end of the round, and then you will have 36 single crochets. Okay, this is the end of the round 10, and I have 36 single crochets. For the round 11, I want to crochet this spooky part. Hey, did you know a lot of people say that viewers usually forget to like the YouTube videos? So show me you're not one of them. Give it a like. Thank you. Okay, so let's start round 11. Take out the stitch marker, one single crochet. You don't need the stitch marker anymore. After one single crochet, just look at the pattern in here. I want to make a half double crochet. Yarn over, under the V shape, yarn over and pull through, make 3 loops, yarn over, pull through all the 3 loops. Okay, after one half double crochet, I'm going to make a double crochet inside of the next stitch. So yarn over and make a double crochet. After a double crochet inside of the next stitch, I'm going to make another half double crochet. After one half double crochet, I'm going to make one single crochet. And this is the pattern you must repeat. Let me show you again. One single crochet, one half double crochet, one double crochet, again one half double crochet, and one single crochet. You need to repeat this 7 times. After repeating this 7 times, I'm going to make one slip stitch. So insert your hook under the V shape of the next stitch, yarn over and pull through, and pull this loop through this one. Grab it and pull it through. Okay, leave a tail here. Now I want to cut the yarn. Okay, now please connect a sewing needle to this tail because I want to show you how to hide it. Okay, now I want to take out the tail. Now you need to tie knot 3 times. Cut the tails. Now I want to show you how to crochet this strap. To crochet this strap, I want to use the same hook and the same yarn. First, make one slip knot. Insert your hook. Now I want to chain 26, like this. 1, 2, 3, and so on. Now I have 26 chains. If you want to make this strap longer, you can chain more. Now take out your hook and cut the yarn. Now I want to connect it to the ghost. I just want to use my hook. Get the tail and bring it out. Again. Insert it from somewhere else. Get the second tail and bring it out. Okay. Again, I want to tie knot 3 times and cut the rest of the yarn. Okay, now I want to show you how to sew the face. I connected a piece of black thread to my sewing needle. Now I want to start sewing the face. Now take out the tail. You should tie knots 3 times here and cut the tails. This is the end of this tutorial. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for any future videos. See you guys!